Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up email forwarding in Zoho Mail. So let's begin. First, go ahead and log into your Zoho Mail account. Once you're inside, head over to the settings icon here. Now scroll down a bit until you find the Mail Accounts section and click on it. Then scroll down again, and under the Forwarding section, you'll see the option to add email forwarding. Go ahead and type in the email address where you want to receive your Zoho emails. I'm just going to enter mine real quick. Once you've typed it in, press enter. Now it's going to start the verification process. So what you need to do is go to that email inbox and you'll receive a confirmation code. Just copy that code, then come back to Zoho Mail, click on verify, and paste the code here. Then click confirm. Once that's done, your email forwarding will be verified. Now, any emails you receive in Zoho Mail will be automatically forwarded to that email address. You can also test it by sending an email to your Zoho account, and you should see it show up in your other inbox as well. So yeah, that's basically how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.